Good morning, folks. How are you? I'm going to apologize for my absence, but I kind of been busy with DIY Flavor Chaser, and it's kept me very busy. So now I have my weekends off. Yay, me. So I thought today was perfect day since I have time, and I would do a video for you. And today, well, first of all, let me go back. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you know when I upload a video, and I'll put links to my other videos up above. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and if you try the recipe, come back and let me know how you liked it. Anyway, today I'm going to make a sesame seed. Well, they're called snaps, but I guess we can't use snaps because it's registered. So anyway, I called it open Sez Me. So that's what we're making today, and I'll just put the recipe up. I'll share it here on the screen, and we can take a look at it. Okay, so this is my recipe, and this is only for 15 mils, and so the first flavor up is FA caramel, and I put it quite low because there isn't a lot of caramel in those sesame snaps, so I just add a little pinch of that. And of course it does have a buttery taste. If you eat enough of them, you can taste the butter, so I decided to throw some of that in there. And now this was originally wholly vanilla, but being as I had the wrong version, let's say, I just got the resurrection, so I'm actually going to try it today because apparently it's supposed to be way better than all the other ones, the million other versions. So anyway, I'll put holy resurrection in there, and honeybee at 0.25 because it is honey in there, and nutmeg just adds that little bit of spice, and Real Flavors nailed this flavor. I love this flavor, nutmeg, but use it very low because it will just wipe out your recipe. And of course, Inawera sesame sweets, and it is sesame sweet, and I did that at 1.5%. So that's the recipe, and I will put a link in the description below so you can try it out. And let's go. We shall begin to get the mix on. Okay, so of course you know I'm a safety girl. Got to keep everything covered up, you know. We won't take that any farther, okay? And so you know the drill. You're going down. Let's go. Okay, and here we go. So we will bring my handy dandy scale over. And like I said, I'm not adding nicotine to this mix because I already have some, and I don't really need any more. Thanks. This is just for demonstration purposes, and we're not wasting our nicotine. Anyway, first up is the PG. And I guess it would help if I turn the scale on. That's always a bonus if you turn the scale on. Okay, and PG, I'm making, this is a 30-70 mix. I'm only making 15 mils, so the PG is 4.14. There we go. Okay, Oh, we're gonna have accidents today, I'm telling you. Okay, tear that out. VG is 12.11. Whee! Okay. Okay, my student have issue. Whoa. Oh. And how does that happen? Okay. And now I got bleaching on me. Okay, first flavor up is FA Caramel. And it's going in the mix at 0.2%, which means 0.03. So basically like one drop. Okay. Or if my computer decides, or my calculator decides to have some sort of fit. Oh, how does that happen? No. Okay. FA Caramel up. There. Okay, next one up is Golden Butter. And it's going in at the same, so another drop. Whoop, whoop. That was 2 drops. Oh, and it worked out perfectly. I guess if you hold it higher, it works out that it's lighter, so it doesn't, you don't get it so close. Yeah, I had to do it. Okay. And Holy Resurrection. Okay, and this is going in the mix at 1%, so 0.15. Perfect. Aha. It's all in the angle, how you hold it and how high you drop the drops to get it perfect. Okay, now this is the one you gotta be scared of. FLV, honeybee. And this is going to mix at 0.25, so 0.04. Let's see, 1, 2. Oh, yep. Oh. Should have been a drop. I should have held it higher. Okay, next one up is Real Flavors Nutmeg. And this one is going in the mix at the same 0.25. We're just gonna one dropper, see what happens here. Nothing. 2 drop. Oh. Ah! And it worked out. Damn, I'm like good today. Aha. And last but not least, Inawera Sesame Sweet. Sweet Sesame, Sesame Sweet, whichever, however you want to say it. And it's going to mix at 1.5%, and that means 0.23. Perfecto. Okay. All done. Turn this off. Get rid of my little friend here. Get rid of our recipe. And handy dandy tool. I'm gonna buzz this up. Maybe. Okay. Having malfunctions here. And that should be good. And my little bottle with my fancy label. Open Sez Me. Oh, that smells good. I would leave this for at least 7 days if you make this just for the sesame to calm down and the honeybee. But it's a very good recipe. I don't make it very often. I should, because it is pretty good, but I do have some already since I came across my recipe. Decided to mix it. And there you have it. Open Sesame. Our dirty dishes. Anyway, I'll bring it back to the living. There you go. All right, folks, that's my recipe. And like I said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. And if you tried the recipe, come back, leave me some comments, and don't forget to get your mix on. Have a great day.